Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. My name is Ceech. Guys, today I got here with me Amy, and we're adding 2 more 8 counts to our pre-existing routine. So towards the middle or towards the end of the video, I'm gonna show you guys what my class did, the entire routine up to this far. So this is the latest one, so check it out. Here's Amy and I. We're gonna show you the last 2 8 counts and then let's break it down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Okie dokie. High five right there. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, let's break this down. All right. So, first thing we're gonna do is a jazz square. So, if you ever taken any kind of dance class before, a jazz square simply it actually looks like a diamond. Okay, so here you go. Take a look at my mouse right here. You guys should be able to see my feet. And of course, you're looking at me. So I'm gonna start with my right leg. This is my right leg. Let's check it out, slow motion. We have 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, I'm gonna stop on the 5. All right. So let's bring it back again. So when you take a look at my feet right here, you can check out Amy's feet as well. But basically, it looks like a square, but if you turn to 45 degrees, it looks more like a diamond. Okay, so it's like a diamond. You're stepping on the corners, each corner. So check it out. I'm gonna rewind it down. Take a look at it. So the first step is right on the 1. Right on the 1. You see how right here, this is the front. This is the top of the diamond. 1, 2. So this is the side of the diamond. 3 is the back of the diamond. 4 is on the other side of the diamond. Okay. So one more time. You're gonna watch that. Half time, slow. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 5, it's the same as the 1. All right. Now notice right when I get down on the 1, though, you see how my knees are bent. Beginning students always just step, and you're standing straight up. Look at the difference. This is standing straight up, right on the 1. Look at Amy did a great job too. Boom, right on the 1. See how both knees are bent. And she's hunching forward a little bit. That's pretty good. That's very, very good. All right. So make sure you get that level change as well. So 2, 3. On the 3, that's when I started going up, right? So right on the 1 is low. 2 is coming up. 3 is all the way up. And then start going down again on the 5. All right. So here we go. Let's move forward. Next part, you're going to kick out 6. Here's the 6. I'm kicking out. Okay. We'll tackle the arms later. Here's the 6. Kick out 6. And right on the end, you see how my knee touched real quick? So rewind that right there, okay? So that's the kick. I'm rewinding. That's a 6. Right when I land on end, boom, knees together, and 7. Now right on 7, knees turn out, toes turn out. Right on 7, okay? And you hold till 8, jump up on the 8. That's your 8 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So let's try that again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right on the 6, you see how the arms are going out, straight out. 6, and on the end, because knees are coming in, arms cross, and 7. Come down on the 7. 8, arms up on 8. Okay, rewind that if you need to. We're gonna move forward now. Here we go, second 8 count. Step back on 1, 2, all right? So I'm stepping back first on my right leg and 2 on my left leg. 1, 2, 3. I know you can't see me from the side, but basically what I'm doing is collapsing my knees in together. Hips drop down. There's the angle. There's the drop right there. Okay. So heel goes apart. Knee comes in. That's 3. And then 4. Right there on the 4, I'm leaning back. I know you can't really see real good right now, but I'm leaning back and I'm doing a heel tap right there. Amy's got a nice heel right there. Boom. That's my 4. All right, let's rewind it back real quick. Come up on the 8. Step back on the 1. And what's the arm doing? The arms is, it's almost like I'm pulling back, like I'm shooting an arrow. You know what I'm saying? Boom, that's the 1. Pull back again on the 2, okay? Now on the 3, as I drop my knees, my head's going to drop. 3, and my arm goes around my neck, all right? Around my head, actually. That's the 3, and then 4 right there. That's another shooting arrow right there. 3 and 4. Okay? One more time. Let's check it out. Arms and legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. 5. All right? One more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. That's 4. I counted wrong first, but that's the 4 right there. Okay, moving forward. Right on the 5, you see how, right on the 5, I'm bringing my foot back. Okay, let's rewind back. That's the 3. Moving forward on the 5, see I'm stomping my foot right here. Step on the 5, and I'm going to do a scoop. And 6, right there. I'm scooping up 6 and 7. All right, I'm stomping on the 7, and I'm going to do this time the knee goes out and 8. The knee goes out and 8, all right? And then my head actually do a little tilt. Okay, so I'm going to rewind that back. Check out the tilt. Boom, right there. So if you can't get that, add that in later. Just practice making sure the knee's good. That's the and 8, all right? And that's it. So let's rewind back. Here we go. From this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I messed up the count again. Sorry, Mom. So when I jump up, this is actually the 8. I've been counting the wrong. So that's 8. This is 8. Stepping back on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And there you have it, guys. All right? So, guys, we're going to add it on. So right now, I promise you, I'm going to show you the entire class. This is the entire class, and we're going to go all the way back to, this is actually like the first day of class doing this. Got my boy here, Rafe, doing real good. Natalie doing good. Amy, of course, you just saw. You guys probably seen Raina in my previous videos as well. All right, and my boy Hayden right there. So let's check it out all the way from the beginning. Here we go. We're gonna have the. I'm gonna put it in the link in the description below, and also these cards will show you the tutorials if you want to check it out from the previous breakdowns. That. Here it comes. This is new stuff. That's today's stuff. 6 and 7, 8, 2, boom. Yo, guys, that is it. I hope you guys had fun learning. That's always the key, guys. And if you are having trouble getting motivation, try to do this by yourself. It's really, really easy. It's much easier to do it if you have somebody to do it with you. So I suggest, finding a friend, a cousin, brother, sister, or something like that to do it with you. Okay. The great thing about this is you could do it anytime virtually. The video's up. So once again, guys, if this is helpful for you, support the channel by hitting the like button because it does more than you think. So drop the like, subscribe for more content. Every week I post stuff. So can't wait to see you on the next one. Peace. I'm out.